Hello, it's Lock Noob, and I thought I'd have a go at picking Foxxy's Tessi lock by Assa Abloy. He's mummified these keys. I'll show you that. I don't know why he's mummified them, but I had a go at this, and something a bit odd with this lock. It picked quite easily using a Peterson's pick. I don't know which number it is. I got this recently off somebody who's selling one quite cheap. It's going to the back. I can tell that on the last pin, push it up quite high, and you push and it seems to open after just picking a couple of pins at the back. I didn't feel how many pins this lock is, but I think it must be a 4 or 5 pin lock, and it's a really easy open. I don't know what's going on with it actually. You have to look at the key to find out what is possibly going on here. Let's count those pins up and see what we've got. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's a 4 pin lock, although I must admit I'm terrible at counting these things. I've got them wrong in the past. Just going to go back in again, all the way to the back. Let's say it is pin 4. Push all the way to the top. Nice big click. Then pin pin 3. Oh, yeah, pin 3, and we're open. Very odd, very odd. I'm really curious now. So, Foxxy, what is this lock? I mean, even though it is an easy pick, of course I'll keep it because it's got your amazing logo on it. I'm very honoured to have it. Always going to stay in my collection. How do you get this off? Oh, I see. Ah, there we go. Oh, that would explain it. Wow, I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. That's curious bitting, and yeah, you can see where pin 4, 3, and the pick itself probably just picks 2, and then 1 doesn't need to be picked at all. So that explains why you only need to really pick 2, maybe 3 pins at best on this. That is the weirdest bitting I've ever seen. Okay, that's brilliant. Let's see if it actually works in the lock. Yeah, it works brilliantly. Assa Abloy, what were you playing at? Foxxy, thank you once again for well, not allowing me to win the competition, because you didn't allow it. You did it randomly, but thank you for sort of holding it in the first place, because I got the lock and it's brilliant. So thank you. And what crazy bitting. That's really weird. Even I can pick this. Okay, thank you all, and I'll see you next time.